Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an activity you enjoyed in your free time when you were young. You should say what it was, where you did it, who you did it with, why you enjoyed it. Cycling was one of the things I really enjoyed doing in my spare time when I was younger. I used to spend hours riding my bicycle around my neighborhood because it was my favorite activity. The thrill of receiving my first bicycle as a birthday present is still fresh in my mind. Every night after school, I would ride my bike and explore other streets. Occasionally, I would go to a friend's house or the local park. It was much more fun because it made me feel independent and adventurous. I generally rode my bike in the park next to my house and throughout my neighborhood. Many kids would congregate on the park's designated bike track to ride their bikes. It was a terrific location for making new acquaintances and competing against one another in entertaining racing events. I would cycle with my childhood friends, laughing and having a fantastic time together, or I would ride alone, loving the fresh air and the rush of speed. Cycling provided me a sense of independence in addition to being enjoyable, which is why I loved it so much. It made it possible for me to go to new locations independently. Additionally, it kept me energized and active, which helped me feel rejuvenated after a demanding academic day. In addition to being an exercise, it allowed me to spend more time outside with my friends and bond with them rather than watching TV indoors. When I think back on those carefree days, when I had no worries and my biggest thrill was riding my bike as fast as I could, I get nostalgic. Even now, seeing kids ride bikes brings back memories of my early years and the small pleasures in life. Since it was one of the most fun things I did when I was younger, I will always cherish this activity. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.